Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today we're taking a look at my brother's Fiat 500 Pop that's had quite a few Abarth modifications. It's been on the channel before. This was previously my car. It was my second car I ever owned, and I only had the car for about a month, and then I bought my 595 Competizione. But without further ado, here is the Fiat Pop. So this is it in all its glory. Still got the red skirts and red rear bumper. It's never been painted or changed to match the rest of the car. But yeah, we gotta use it at the moment because I got a Renault Scenic that needs a clutch. We knew it needed a clutch when I bought it, so we've used this one because the clutch did finally let go the other day. So he's in the garage. But yeah, it's pretty much as it was when I left it. I don't think he's done anything to it apart from some repairs. I know it's had a new door handle over this side, which are common on the early 500s to break off. But other than that, it's filthy. It needs a good clean, but it's pretty much the same as it was when I left it, bar a few more decors. Still the original Fiat stripes. They were on from factory. But yeah, here it is. So I'll just go through what we done, what I'd done, and then it went on to my brother. I can't remember if I put the rear lights in it. I honestly can't remember. I probably did, but I can't remember with that one. But basically, I bought the car. It was about £2,000 if I remember rightly, 2,500, something like that. It come from Bristol. I bought the body kit for it, the Abarth body kit. And the bumpers and skirts were red, but the front was the same colour. And the plan's always been to paint this down here to blend in with the sills and the bumper. So paint that red and it blends its way through. But yeah, I bought the body kit, fitted the bumpers to the car. The body kit also come with the rear boot, which was the same colour, which had the spoiler. Try to think now, that's my original sticker. Keep Fighting Michael from Michael Schumacher. And then I think my brother had the exhaust done when he had it, which is a very nice exhaust. Sounds very nice. We will do that in a bit. And then he was away one weekend for some reason, and I decided to get my friend over and put the skirts on and put some new wheel trims on it just to help. But other than that, the interior's still Fiat Pop, just got some seat covers on. Still got my Momo gear stick, which is really nice. It really helps. I never liked the original gear knob in the 500s. That really does make a difference. It's not just for looks. Still got the back seats in. It's still used as a daily car, really. It just sounds incredible. Wind deflectors, which he had done when I had my Bath ones done. So we got the same ones. I did put these on it, the side repeaters LEDs, which change it up, and I think he put these on, not me, but I did put them on my Bath as well. And then I done the Italian stripe here just to help, and then he done this one as well. Could do with upgraded lights, really. He's got a few Rossi stickers on it, MotoGP fan. But other than that, it's pretty much still a standard Fiat. Still got the same engine, no modifications to the engine whatsoever, and it really does sound incredible. Personally, it probably sounds a little bit better than my Bath Competizione did, and this is still a standard Fiat. I noticed he needs some new dust caps. They've pretty faded. It's still got these tyres. These tyres are the original on the back, because I remember the little flowers here on it when I picked it up. I can't remember what happened to the wheel trims. Probably still got them somewhere. They can go in the garage if I find them on the wall. But yeah, there it is. A lot of people wanted to see more on this car, but because I moved out and living somewhere else now, I don't really see the car much. But we're borrowing it this weekend because the seen it's having the clutch done. And yeah, it's a crazy little thing. It's really nippy. It does the job. He's more of a biker, so he doesn't use the car as much, but I do keep saying to him, maybe you should just sell it on now and get yourself something a bit nicer, because there are a lot more nicer cars out there these days. But yeah, considering I've been driving a 19-foot Chrysler New Yorker, this is a very small car. It took me a while to get used to a small car again, but it's only for a couple of days. But yeah, that is the Fiat 500 Pop. I think it's a 2009 if I can remember rightly. But yeah, this was my second car. I had my Citroen C2 for about 6 months. Then I bought this, had this for a month, and I wanted the Abarth then. So I sold it to my brother, bought the Abarth 595, and the rest is history, as it goes. Porsches and everything, right up to a Chrysler New Yorker now. So yeah. But there you go, I thought you'd like to see this car again. And what I'm going to do now is set the camera up behind, and we will get some startup and some revs for you all. There you go. So hope you enjoyed that exhaust. I will try and find out the exact exhaust it is. I don't know if it might be on there. Don't know if you can see that on the camera, but yeah, any questions please let me know, and maybe we'll see the car more in the future, maybe not, I'm not too sure. But that is the 2009 Fiat 500 Pop with Abarth modifications. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again very soon with more videos.